Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you it's a seller how to change shipping address. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you are an Etsy seller and need to change your shipping address for an order, then what you need to do first is check the order details. To do it, simply tap on the sign in option and log into your account and go to your shop manager Etsy. Then simply click on order and shipping, then find the order in question. Then next is to contact the buyer. Etsy does not allow sellers to directly change the shipping address once order is placed. The buyer must update the shipping address in their order or request a cancellation to reorder with correct address. Then message the buyer politely through Etsy messaging system to confirm and request the correct shipping address. Then if buyer updates their address, the buyer can update the shipping address. If the order is still unshipped, going to their purchases and review page, selecting contact the seller to request a change, or if the order is not yet shipped, they can cancel and reorder with the correct address. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.